never just look by yourself and I smile for no reason. Alright people, so I'm assuming that the title of the video says something that would draw you here. So today as I test out, apparently KFC have this new secret recipe. Really and truly when me care for try are the fries, because I remember the last time when we did say about the fries.
Remember one time, you know, when KFC did have the best fries in Jamaica. Somebody come up with a brilliant idea. When I say brilliant, I don't really mean brilliant. Alright? For change out KFC fries to them big thick sitting here. Eat them your cool or your hang. Eat them hot, you know, make a difference. Them big fries are them now work. Fries supposed to be something nice and skinny and fun to eat. I'm coming like I eat a whole potato.
Yeah. So like we see if this secret recipe fries actually have a secret about it or it's a scam. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the secret box, which is $150, right? $1,050 I'm gonna pay for buy fries in that, because really and truly I fries I care about. I wanna see if the fries improve. So I'm gonna buy a regular fries so I can have something for contrast it with, and then the $1,050 fries. Well, basically it come with a meal, but you know, I'm thinking of the secret recipe box. I don't know if I say 2 pieces of chicken, 2 secret recipe chicken strip, 1 regular secret regular fries, 1 biscuit, a regular coleslaw, and a Pepsi. As we say, still, the fries I'm really business with. So I'm gonna do the review and see if the fries actually taste like it have a secret in there, or once again, you know, is it a scam? When we did do the last fry thing, my sister did say I must go try the new one with them have, but at the time it never did out there. It was in America alone. I must say them have the new crispy fries. So it seemed like a reach, you know. And a really crispy fries and brand it as them say 1 regular secret recipe fries. So maybe we see what it is. My assumption is that a seasoned fries. That's what I assume. Them season it with them KFC secret herbs and spices. Hopefully crunchier. I don't expect the size for change, but make we see. Secret recipe. Hello? So they sitting here laughing now. I can't get it. A joke thing. A good thing I never credit me I use for order and something. Credit done.
Anything I want to say, what is the bit I got to say?
Hello? 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 I'm just here chatting, so I'm on now. Yeah, good afternoon. Can I have a secret recipe big box, please?
What?
Secret recipe big box. And then give me an extra fry with that.
That's coming.
You see when they get rough now, they make you seem like say, yeah, the one who are coming with your foolishness, you know. You see? Then there be a keke they left one in on a man they try order how long in a when time me go so boom and give my order now, you know, here. And then my chip lick. You go tell me say, you know, here now when man attack you from long time. You want to ramp with me, you know. Don't ramp with me. I'm wrong. Why?
And for the people who would like to know what you get inside the box is you get a coleslaw, 2 chicken strips with the secret recipe. My tasty chicken strips Nothing special. Better they just have the original KFC seasoning on it. And that's the first time I tried them chicken strips, and with the secret recipe, you know, shot. You get 2 pieces of chicken. It just, as you see me buy the extra fry to compare. You get honey mustard. I guess we go with like the chicken strips, and you get 2 ketchup. It kind of just clicked back in my memory that when I was reading the thing of the poster, I remember I said me did say something about biscuit, right?
Biscuit.
Me not a biscuit. KFC when my biscuit there, you don't owe me a biscuit in a worse like out. Yo, you don't owe me a biscuit, Rasta. Where is my biscuit? But we'll get to it, people. So over here, so you have the special secret fries, and then you have regular fries. May I go right in because I want to test what is this all about. I can see if it's a scam. As you can see, the size of the fries them still not change. Let me taste a regular for see. I suppose you get something out of them fries, but to tell you the truth, first of all, they're not crispy. So that the part that got out of my head. Me did really expect some crispier fries with some, as me say, a seasoned fries was the attempt. Me taste a little something. Maybe an onion. Maybe an onion, but when you just put it in your mouth, it kind of give you a little sweetish vibe. But really and truly, I know nothing special. Yo, KFC, you not let me down too hard, you know, man. With that fries thing, you know. Remember, I'm telling you one time when they have the best. If you're not going to do seasoned fries, do it the right way. Island Grill and Popeyes, them have a seasoned fries thing. When I say secret, I don't know which secret. Maybe somebody is secretly and we run around corner and try to season them with the secret sauce, and it secretly never work out. I see some little, I don't know if I can see some like some little specks of seasoning. I'll try to show you. Right, you see look at specks of seasoning right there, so that's all I see. As you can see, fries still not sturdy. Like a specks of seasoning. Was supposed to be something, but God no. It just tastes like fries. Big man thing, it just tastes like fries. Me I get it, but me not get it the way how me expect uno did intend for me get it. Like it just barely come off like them season them fries here, you know. Barely. Maybe I do them wrong. No man. Regular fries that give me more flavor than this. I'm disappointed. I not like. Remember say $1,050 I pay for this now. I know say that I price I fries, but I really fries me did care for try. And then me did also expect it to be at least a size here. Not this. I'm disappointed. If me have a grade them would have give it like a 5 out of 10. I remember say regular fries them a 4 out of 10. So I same thing. You know, nothing special. Right now I give regular fries them more pints over this. Because I actually have taste a little salt and something. KFC on the seasoned fries needs some work. And if somebody from KFC see that video here, how me would I do them fries here is more seasoning so that people can distinguish it from the regular fries. Make fries skinny again. That's all me that do. And also make them more crispy. If you don't do that, the secret recipe thing here, secret fries recipe, it would have shot. Just take the advice, please. Now KFC, me give you a try again. Hoping that the Caesar fries are the secret ingredients fries as we call it. Would have taste better. But nothing. The bag, disappointing. Right, the little secret pan in a man. But I feel special. And give me one in a cardboard box like that one there. If you don't wonder what I look on, I KFC box me there so I look on, you see me? I don't know man. The fries them disappoint me. Like on the next level. I wonder if I do them, never do them right. I didn't understand how to do it. Because I can't. This one gonna tell me say a secret recipe fries. Because I really. This seasoning so secret that it look like gonna actually keep it a secret for real if I fries them because I don't nothing special. Sure no star. KFC. I don't know if you watch like Bad Boys. I think Bad Boys 2. When Martin Lawrence they drive the car and after that Will Smith say, "From now on, that's how you drive." But honestly I expect to come out of this saying, "Now these are fries. From now on, that's how you make fries." I don't come out of it and say that at all. People me soon when me soon here, man. Just no style. Mate!